Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this simple looking word mass problem that many people fail to solve. 27 divided 3 bracket 4 plus 5. So what people do, 4 plus 5 as 9 and 3 times 9 as 27 and 27 divided by 27 as 1. Which is the wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. This is wrong because this is not the right approach to solve this type of problem. So we are going to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Now multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right always. So 27 divided by 3 multiply 9, that is 9 times 9, that is 81. So what is the correct answer? 81, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.